Dear students, today I will discuss ready-mixed concrete. Ready-mixed concrete is particularly useful on congested sites or in road construction where little space for a mixing plant and for extensive aggregate stockpiles is available. But perhaps the greatest single advantage of ready-mixed concrete is that it is made under better conditions of control than are normally possible on any but large construction sites. Control has to be enforced, but since the central mixing plant operates under near factory conditions, a really close control of all operations of production of fresh concrete is possible. Proper care during transportation of the concrete is also ensured by the use of agitator trucks, but the placing and compaction remain, of course, the responsibility of the personnel on the site. The use of ready-mixed concrete is also advantageous when only small quantities of concrete are required, or when concrete is to be placed only at intervals. There are two principal categories of ready-mixed concrete. In the first, the mixing is done at a central plant and the mixed concrete is then transported, usually in an agitator truck which revolves slowly so as to prevent segregation and undue stiffening of the mix. Such concrete is known as central mixed, as distinct from the second category, that is transit mixed or truck mixed concrete. Here, the materials are best at a central plant but are mixed in a mixer truck either in transit or to the site or immediately prior to the concrete being discharged. Transit mixing permits a longer haul but is less vulnerable in case of delay. But the capacity of a truck used as a mixer is only 63% or even less of the drum, while for central mixed concrete it is 80%. Sometimes the concrete is partially mixed at a central plant in order to increase the capacity of the agitator truck. The mixing is completed en route. Such concrete is known as sink mixed concrete but is rarely used. Truck mixers usually have a capacity of 6 meter cube or 7.5 meter cube. It should be explained that agitating differs from mixing solely by the speed of rotation of the mixer. The agitating speed is between 2 and 6 revolutions per minute compared with the mixing speed of 4 to about 16 revolutions per minute. There is thus some overlap in the definitions. It may be noted that the speed of mixing affects the rate of stiffening, while the total number of revolutions controls the uniformity of mixing. Unless the concrete has been sink mixed in the central mixing plant, 70 to 80, 100 revolutions at mixing speed in the truck mixer are required. An overriding limit of 300 revolutions in toto is laid down by the ASTM C9409A. This is thought to be the unnecessary unless the aggregate, especially the fine fraction, is soft and liable to grinding. If the final part of the water is put into the mixer just prior to delivery of the concrete, as may be desirable in hot weather, ASTM C9409A requires 30 additional revolutions at mixing speed prior to discharge. The main problem in the production of ready-mixed concrete is maintaining the workability of the mix right up to the time of placing. Concrete stiffens with time and the stiffening time may also be aggravated by the prolonged mixing and by a high temperature. In the case of transit mixing, water need not be added till nearer the commencement of the mixing, but according to ASTM C9409A, the time during which the cement and moist aggregate are allowed to remain in contact is limited to 90 minutes. BS 53283 1990 superseded by BS EN 2061 2000 allows 2 hours. The 90-minute limit can be relaxed by the purchaser of the concrete There is evidence that with the use of retarders, the time limit can be extended to 3 or even 4 hours, provided the concrete temperature at delivery is below 32 degrees centigrade. The United States Bureau of Reclamation provides for an extension of 2 to 6 hours in the time of contact between cement and wet aggregate in transport prior to mixing. This requires 5% of additional cement for every hour between these limits. Thus, between 5 and 20% additional cement can be required. Thank you.